Ada ti sabon. Ada pa itik kapi.
Ada pag idisan ti sining.
And we like to say thank you to the DJ sponsors, Jollibee, McDonald's, Save More, Pure Gold, and last but not least, Johnson Supermarket. Yay! O sige, itaas pa natin for picture taking ang ating mga fathers. Okay. Yes, opa, naglalawa isang daan. Wait lang po, Diyan muna. Okay. So let's call Sister Auntie Penny na mag-pray.